Light Inland Hospital in Waterville is closing. This comes as Northern Light Health faces steep system-wide financial struggles. Brittany McHatton reports.
Northern Light Inland Hospital has been a challenged hospital for the better part of the last decade. So it is something that, even though it was a very difficult decision, that we felt like we needed to do.
Senior Vice President Marie Vino says Northern Light Health made the decision to close Waterville's Inland Hospital and all affiliated services and clinics just one day before Thursday's announcement. It comes a month after Northern Light announced sweeping consolidations in the Central Maine area and just 2 weeks after the discontinuation of labor and delivery services at the hospital.
Those were some near-term mitigation strategies that we were trying to employ to reduce expenses and, help our operating margin. But our facility has been very fragile for many years, and it just became apparent that any near-term strategy that we employed was not going to bring us back to a positive or even near positive operating margin.
Vino says Inland Hospital was losing between $1 million and $1.5 million a month. While the move won't solve all of the system's financial strife, Vino says it's one piece of the puzzle. In addition to those operating costs, she also cited low reimbursement rates and a tight labor market as factors for the closure.
It is extremely difficult to maintain high-quality services and take care of patients when you just don't have the amount of staff, providers, and other caregivers to provide the care.
Northern Light says with other providers in the area, including Maine General Health in Augusta, this closure will allow them to redirect resources to underserved parts of the state. Vino says Inland Hospital has 309 full-time employees, and officials are working with all of them to find placements elsewhere.
We actually are quite confident that depending on where the employee wants to go, that we believe that we have jobs for all of them, either within Northern Light Health or through one of our healthcare partners in the region.
Clinical services at the hospital will continue through May 27th as they gradually wind down. Northern Light anticipates the facility will formally close on June 11th, 90 days from now. In the meantime, they ask their patients to have patience.
Just know that we are working very hard to ensure that your healthcare needs are met by us or others. If it isn't us, we will work with you to take care of you now and into the future.
And that was Brittany McHatton with that report. Patients and community members seeking additional information can visit northernlighthealth.org/notice. Northern Light Health says they have no plans to close any of their other hospitals in Maine.